In this video, I'll show you how to delete an old LinkedIn account without the password and email. If you no longer remember the password and you also can't access the old email address, the most important thing to know is this. LinkedIn normally requires you to sign in and enter the account password before you can close an account directly. So in most cases, you can't just delete the old account immediately without first recovering access to it. The good news is that LinkedIn does have recovery options. If you don't have access to the email address anymore, LinkedIn says you may still be able to regain access by using a recovery phone number or secondary email if those were added to the account before. And if you can't use any of those recovery methods, LinkedIn says it can help you recover the account by verifying your identity. So here's the best way to handle it. First, go to the LinkedIn sign-in page and try the Forgot Password option. Enter the email address you think was connected to the old account or a phone number if you remember one. If LinkedIn can send a code to a working recovery method, you may be able to reset the password and get back in. If that does not work because you no longer have access to the email, phone, or any recovery option, the next step is identity verification. LinkedIn says that if you can't recover or access your account, you may be asked to verify your identity through its verification process using a government-issued ID. This is the official path LinkedIn gives for regaining access when standard recovery fails. Once LinkedIn restores access, you can then close the account the normal way. Go to Settings and Privacy. Open Account Preferences, choose Close Account, select your reason, and then confirm with the password. That final password step is why recovery usually has to happen first. Now, if the old account may have been hacked or taken over by someone else, do not just keep trying random passwords. LinkedIn has a separate compromised account form for cases where someone else may have accessed your account. LinkedIn says it can review the form, verify that the account is yours, and then help you regain access. There's also one more situation to know about. If the account belongs to a deceased person, LinkedIn says authorized representatives can request account closure, while others can report the member as deceased so the profile can be memorialized. That option is only for that specific situation. But it's useful to know because it follows a different process from regular account recovery. So the simple answer is this. If you want to delete an old LinkedIn account without the password and email, you usually need to recover the account first using a phone number, secondary email, or identity verification. After you regain access, you can close the account normally from LinkedIn settings. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.